I have listed some things we see all around us in our daily lives. You'll notice that in these things, some lines never meet. For example, the keys of a piano or the railway tracks, while others cross exactly at right angles. For example, the bars of the window or the adjacent edges of the chessboard. They meet exactly at right angles. Today, we'll explore these two important ideas in geometry: parallel lines and perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect and all four angles are equal, that means each angle must measure 90 degrees, right? Such lines are called perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are a pair of lines which intersect each other and make right angles or 90-degree angles. We can say that over here lines M and N are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular lines are marked with a square angle between them. Let us look at some more pairs of lines. Over here, these line segments AB and CD, they intersect at one point T. Then we have these line segments PQ and RS. They do not intersect, but when extended, they will intersect at some point. Then we have these pairs of line segments UV and YZ. We can extend them in either direction, but they are never going to meet. Such lines or such pairs of lines are called parallel lines. Parallel lines are a pair of lines that lie on the same plane and do not meet, however far we extend them at both ends. It is important that lines lie on the same plane. A line drawn on a board might look parallel to a line drawn on the table placed beneath it, but they are not parallel because they do not lie on the same plane. In mathematics, we use arrow mark to show that a set of lines is parallel. Now, in case we have more than one set of parallel lines, the second set is shown with two arrow marks, and so on. Let us look at this note paper where some line segments are drawn, and let's answer some questions. Which pairs of lines are parallel? How about you pause the video and write it down somewhere? Well, if we notice here, this line A is parallel to G and it is also parallel to F. So lines A, G and F are parallel. Now through this note paper, we can easily recognize the parallel lines because look over here. In between these two parallel lines, there is consistent gap, right? 1, 2, 3. The gap at every point is consistent. Now, if we were to extend this line, over here also the gap is consistent. So these lines A, G and F are parallel. Do we have any other pair? Yes. Lines C and E are parallel and lines D and H are parallel. Which pair of lines are perpendicular? Well, we have only one pair of lines, A and B. These are perpendicular. Drew a line perpendicular to line F. So we can draw it over here or here or here. This line is perpendicular to line F. That is, it is making 90 degrees when meeting line F. Let us now look at one activity to explore parallel and perpendicular lines by folding a piece of paper. We have a square piece of paper. Can you pause the video and tell which pair of edges are parallel and which pair of edges are perpendicular to each other? Yes, in this case, the opposite pair of edges are parallel. These two are parallel and these are parallel to each other. While the adjacent pair of edges, they are perpendicular. Now, if you just fold this piece of paper in half like this and then open it, it will create a crease on the paper, something like this. Now, this line is also parallel to this and this. And this line is making 90 degrees with this edge. It will also make 90 degrees with this edge. That is, this line is perpendicular to this edge. Now, let us fold this paper this way. Once we do that and open it, it will create another crease. Let's draw a line on this crease. This line, as you can see, is making 90 degrees with the line we created earlier. So these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Now, can we fold this paper diagonally? If we do that, and once we'll open it, we'll get this line. Now, can you fold the paper in certain way so that we have a line parallel to the diagonal? Yes, we can. If we fold it like this and then open it, we'll get this line which is parallel to the diagonal. We can create multiple such lines which will be parallel to a diagonal on this side as well as this side.